Therefore be perfect just as your heavenly Father is perfect. St. Matthew chapter 5 verse 48. In the Gospel, Jesus gives this imperative: how can a human person be perfect in the same manner that God in heaven is perfect? There seems to be an impossible task associated with the Lord's command. But what is perfection? For many, it is rooted in the belief that one's life must be nearly flawless. The perfect student is the student who receives straight A's. The perfect family is one in which the children obey the parents. There are no conflicts and no chaos. The perfect couple never argues. The perfect figure is achieved after tireless hours at the gym. The perfect person piously says all their prayers. The list goes on and on. The concept of perfection can overwhelm us, and we begin to construct an image in our mind of what we are like, or would want to be like, or think we really are made to be like when we fall short of what we think we should be. Then we become afraid that we are not lovable. We are faced with our poverty, and we are afraid our poverty is not a problem for God, but it is here that He wishes to meet us. In fact, in the literal Greek meaning of the word for perfect is goal or end. The perfection that Jesus is calling for is that we are guide our action and attitudes by the same intention as the Heavenly Father. It is not that we strive for an unattainable image or idea of what or who we should be, but rather we should focus our outlook from the divine point of view. The Heavenly Father allowed the sun to rise on the bad and the good, and the rain to fall on the honest and dishonest. The Heavenly Father loves each person individually and deserves and each person participate in the life and vision for which he was created. We need to faith that God accepts me in my poverty and still wills my holiness. During this Lenten season, we can ask ourselves, do I allow myself to be loved by the Father? Can I receive the tender cares of the Father for me? Father, help me to experience that in my poverty I am loved by you. I desire to stand in your cares of love and realize that I have nothing and that I need nothing. You are all for me. Thank you.